Well guys, welcome back to It's All About Racing. We're going to take a walk right now through the false paddock, or the false grid, excuse me. This is where all the GT3 spec cars are lining up for practice today. We'll start with the J.G. Wentworth Acura. Then you've got the Volt Lightning Porsche right up here. Beautiful car in bright yellow with the orange accents. I think one of the cooler liveries that you got out here. This is the Heart of Racing GT Pro entry. And then we have the FAF Porsche number 9 car here, another one of the GT Pro entries. Next is the Heart of Racing GT Pro Am entry. These guys got a significant BOP change that should slow them down a little bit, give the other cars a chance to catch up with them. And here's Rex's sister, Roxy. Pretty in pink. Rex is at Fiji right now. Here's the Team Kortkoff number 32 Mercedes AMG. Always a competitive car. And here's clearly the fan favorite, the Corvette C8 number 3 car. And then the 92 car. I call this the Fat Buddha car, and you can see why. Take a look at the livery. It's very, very unique. Nothing quite like it here in the paddock. And one of the cars is not lined up yet here. We got an open spot. This is the Tech Mech Mercedes AMG, number 57 car, a Pro-Am entry. Turner Motorsports, number 96, M4 GT3 BMW. I love that big kidney grille. A lot of people hate it. I personally think it's pretty damn cool. The Paget Racing, another one of the Porsche 911 GT3s. This is really kind of cool. It's black with these yellow accents, and I like any Porsche that's black. I think black is just cool. Then here's another favorite. This is another one of the Turner Motorsports BMW. This one has a sponsor from audio manufacturer Macintosh. We'll take a look at the back of this car as I roll around. It's kind of cool. But Andy Blackmore did the livery on this car. It is absolutely gorgeous. And you've got the like the musical numbers and letters all over it on the background. Very, very sharp, I think. Told you we'd take a look at the back of this. If you saw my paddock tour, you will have seen this, and you've got the power output meter on the car there. Very, very sharp. Now here's the Arrow Lamborghini Huracan, that of Moishe Gutberg and Laura Spinelli. Very, very sharp looking car, I think, number 78 Pro-Am entry. And here's the Pro entry, the WeatherTech Mercedes AMG. Then the last car for the moment here, and last but not least, is the Inception Racing McLaren. This car is really badass. Got the door up right now, which I think looks really, really cool. And you never know when another car is going to pull up here, because they're about, well, they're missing about 5 or 6, but they're not due out here for another 10-15 minutes, so they could be rolling up here anytime. Guys, here's a look inside the McLaren. Not a whole lot of room in there, and almost looks like a PlayStation steering wheel they got in these things. It's amazing. Love that door. Now the Paul Miller Racing BMW just came through here. It looks like he's moving up to the front. He's late. Now we're going to look at the back of the cars here. The WeatherTech Porsche, Lamborghini, there's the Macintosh car. I just love the livery on that thing. And there's the Paget Porsche number 91. Turner BMW. Mercedes AMG Tech-Met. Now tell me that thing is just badass in black and blue. You gotta like that. That is just so cool. Crewmen are bored out of their gourds here, sitting in these hot cars. The drivers are over in pit lane waiting for the cars to be delivered to them when they come out here. They're gonna leave here, they go in pit lane, the drivers will get in the cars, and then they'll take them out in the track. You very rarely see the drivers here. Well, there's a guy saying 5 minutes before they get to go out, letting all the crewmen know they can get ready to bring their cars out. There's the Kortkoff, the number 32 car. And there's Roxy, beautiful in pink. GT3 Roar. Check out that rear wing. Very cool. And here we have the Aston Martin, number 27 car. And the Pfaff Motorsports Porsche. Another badass looking car in black and plaid. I really like the black with the plaid this year, as opposed to the silver that it had previously. I think it looks much better. And Spark will be coming out with a model car of this in just a couple months. And there is the Pro Entry Mercedes. Oh, there's a car coming up behind me. It's one of the Lexuses. Both of the Lexuses, actually. As you can see right there, and there's the AM and the Pro Entry there. I had Aaron Tellitz take me around in one of the Lexuses earlier today. Not this car, but one of their kind of like a GT4 spec car they had. They did some hot laps around what they call the Patriot course. And there's the Paul Miller Quartz BMW. And guys, that's about it.